Good morning, good afternoon to some of you. I am highly honored today that I can wish you a happy Sabbath. How was your week? My week was very busy. I don't know about you. Maybe some of you met some challenges, but today we are thankful. Look at us today. We are alive. Isn't that a wonderful gift? For us to be alive is a blessing. Let us go to church. Thank God for the goodness that He has bestowed upon us. There might be challenges, but I know our God is a faithful God. God who can make impossibilities possible. So go to church. Leave the worries aside, knowing our God is a creator. Our God is a problem solver. So when you go to church, worship God spiritually, mentally, physically. Dedicate yourself to God, knowing our God is a good God. I wish you